A very good morning, dear students. Today we are going to start the third unit of our syllabus, that is Laughter, the Best Medicine. This unit includes the chapters that will make you laugh and that will tickle your funny bone. So let's check out the first chapter of this unit. This is Harris in the Maze, written by Jerome K. Jerome. So before talking about this chapter, the story that is given in this chapter, we will get to know something more about the author Jerome K. Jerome. So check out the last page of your book. Jerome K. Jerome, born in 1859, died in 1927, was an English novelist and playwright. It means Jerome K. Jerome was the 20th century writer, English novelist and playwright. His first book, On the Stage and Off, was published in 1885. Three Men in a Boat, published in 1889, was his most successful work. And the chapter that we are going to read today is taken from this novel, Three Men in a Boat. It talks about an hilarious experience of three friends who set off their journey in a boat and all the kind of adventures and funny adventures they come across. This novel is all about that. तो जो चैप्टर आज हम पढ़ने वाले हैं वो इसी नॉवल में से लिया गया एक पीस है, दैट इज़ थ्री मैन इन अ बोट. This extract is from Three Men in a Boat, a humorous book by English writer Jerome K. Jerome, of a 2-week boating holiday on Thames. So the book from which this extract means this piece of writing has been taken from, that book is a humorous book written by Jerome K. Jerome. It is about the 2-week boating holiday on the Thames. Three friends who set off on a boat, on a journey in a boat, are sharing their experience, their funny, humorous experience of going across so many things. It is this extract the narrator and his two friends George and Harris are going around London. So here in this chapter we have in this book, not in this chapter, in this book Three Men in a Boat, we have three characters: narrator Jerome K. Jerome, and then Harris, and then George. So in this extract the narrator means Jerome K. Jerome and his two friends George and Harris are going around London. Finally, while they were on their journey to travel across the world, they reach London and they are going around London. They pass the Hampton Court Palace. Hampton Court Palace is a historical palace in London, and and inside this palace there is a very famous and one of the world's largest maze. Maze looks like this. It is a network of passages designed as a puzzle. So people go there just to have fun, and it sometimes create a great confusion to them, and it becomes very difficult for the people to come out of this maze once they enter this. So while they were passing by the Hampton Court Palace, and then this palace has a garden maze which is a tourist attraction. As they pass it, Harris remembers the last time he had visited the maze. So before beginning this chapter, you must be knowing that it is a piece. First thing that you have to remember is it is a piece taken from the novel Three Men in a Boat, which is the story of three friends: narrator Jerome K. Jerome, Harris, and George. But in this chapter we will talk about only Harris. Harris is sharing his experience with narrator and his another friend George. Harris अपना experience जैसे ही वो हैम्पटन पैलेस के सामने से गुज़रते हैं तो हैरिस उन्हें बताता है कि इस पैलेस के अंदर देयर इज़ अ मेज़, देयर इज़ अ पज़ल ऑफ so many passages और एक बार मुझे मौका मिला था उस मेज़ के अंदर एंटर करने का, और जब मैं अंदर गया तो मेरा एक्सपीरियंस कैसा रहा, वो एक्सपीरियंस हैरिस शेयर कर रहा है नरेटर के साथ और अपने दूसरे फ्रेंड के साथ जिसका नाम है जॉर्ज. सो वी आर गोइंग टू read about Harris's experience of entering the world's largest maze, which is situated in Hampton Palace, London. Right? So let's begin the chapter. Let's check out the first paragraph. Harris asked me if I had ever been in the maze at Hampton Court. He said he went in once to show somebody else the way. He had studied it up in a map, and it was so simple that it seemed foolish, hardly worth of 2 pence charge for admission. Harris said he thought that the map must have been got up as a practical joke, because it wasn't a bit like the real thing. The only misleading, it was a country cousin that Harris took in. He said, "We will just go in here so that you can say you have been. But it's very simple. It's absurd to call it a maze. You keep on taking the first turning to the right. We will just walk around for 10 minutes and then go and get some lunch." So this is the first passage of this chapter. So let me explain what's given, what all is given in this passage. Harris asked me. Me here is the narrator. Me here is narrator, and who is the narrator? The author of this book, that is Jerome K. Jerome, right? He's the narrator also and author also. So Harris told the narrator, he asked him, have you ever been in the maze at Hampton Court Palace? Hampton Court Palace is a very big historical palace in London. तो वो जब वहाँ से क्रॉस हो रहे थे तो हैरिस ने नरेटर से पूछा दैट हैव यू एवर बीन इन द मेज? इनसाइड दिस पैलेस देयर इज़ अ वर्ल्ड फेमस मेज, वन ऑफ द वर्ल्ड्स लार्जेस्ट मेज. मेज इज़ अ नेटवर्क ऑफ पैसेजेस, जिसको हम हिंदी में भूल भुलैया भी बोलते हैं. अंदर जाएंगे एक पैसेज होगा जो राइट जा रहा है, एक पैसेज होगा जो लेफ़्ट जाएगा, एंड इट बिकम्स वेरी डिफ़िकल्ट फॉर अस. अंदर जाना बहुत आसान है, बट टू कम आउट ऑफ दिस मेज इज़ रियली चैलेंजिंग, बिकॉज देयर आर so many passages going right to left, left to right, and it creates great confusion, and it becomes really difficult to get out of this maze. So Harris asked the narrator that have you ever been in that maze which is inside this palace? Have you ever in the maze at Hampton Court? He said that he went in once to show somebody else the way. Then Harris told about his own experience. Harris ने पहले तो नरेटर से पूछा कि क्या तुम कभी इस मेज़ के अंदर गए हो, और फिर वो अपना एक्सपीरियंस बताता है दैट आई वंस गॉट द अपॉर्चुनिटी to get inside this maze and it was a very memorable experience for me. मुझे एक बार मौका मिला था अंदर जाने का, और उस मेज़ के अंदर जाकर बाहर निकलने का मौका मुझे मिला था, and it was a very very memorable experience for me. He had studied it up in a map, and it was so simple that it seemed foolish, hardly worth of 2 pence charge for admission. Harris said that before going inside the maze के अंदर जाने से पहले I had studied the map. मैंने मैप पढ़ा था. I had studied the map of this is the map of the maze situated at Hampton Palace, London. So Harris had studied this map before getting in, and it was so simple. बाहर से जब आप उस मेज़ को देख रहे हैं, उस मैप को देख रहे हैं, उसका मैप चेक कर रहे हैं, इट अपीयर टू बी वेरी सिंपल. देखने वाले को लग रहा था कि अंदर जाके बाहर निकलना बहुत आसान है. इट वाज सो सिंपल, हार्डली वर्थ, even it seemed foolish, hardly worth 2 pence charge for admission. One has to give 2 British coins. Pence means British coin. One has to give 2 British coin. One needed to give only 2 British coin to get the admission, to get inside it. And it was a stupid idea कि इतने एक मेज़ के अंदर जाने के लिए आपको 2 कॉइन्स देने पड़ रहे हैं. आपको 2 कॉइन्स देने की भी ज़रूरत नहीं है, बिकॉज मैप को देख के लग रहा था इट वॉज़ वेरी ईजी टू गेट इनसाइड and it was very easy to come out of this maze. So giving 2 coins for the admission in admission ticket खरीदना अंदर जाने के लिए 2 coins का, it was a foolish idea because the map was looking very simple. Harris said he thought that the map must have been got up as a practical joke because it wasn't a bit like the real thing, the only misleading. So Harris said, but when I got into the maze, I found out that the map was just a practical joke. It was very difficult to get out of that map. दिखने में मैप को देखकर लगता था कि बहुत आसान है अंदर जाना और अंदर जाके बाहर निकलना बहुत आसान है, लेकिन ऐसा बिल्कुल भी नहीं था. The map was completely misleading. Whatever was given in the map, it was very difficult to follow it. बाहर से मैप को देख के लग रहा था कि अंदर जाकर मैं बहुत आसानी से बाहर निकल सकता हूँ, लेकिन जब मैं अंदर गया तो मैंने देखा कि अंदर जाकर इतने सारे पैसेजेस हैं, इतने सारे रास्ते हैं कि उस मैप को फॉलो करना बहुत डिफ़िकल्ट है. इट वॉज़ एक्चुअली द मैप विच वॉज़ मिसलीडिंग अस. विच मिसलीडिंग अस मीन्स इट डिडंट शो द करेक्ट पाथ टू अस. बाहर से जो दिख रहा था अंदर जाकर वैसा कुछ भी नहीं था. It was a country cousin that Harris took in. Country cousin means cousin who belonged to a village or a rural area. So Harris said that I had been in this maze with my cousin. मेरा गांव से एक cousin आया था और मैं उसके साथ घूमने गया था, and then we got the chance to enter this maze which is known to be one of the largest mazes in the world. So Harris went, he didn't went there alone. He didn't go there alone. He went there with his country cousin. With his cousin he got the chance to go there. So जैसे ही वो अंदर जाने लगे, he said, we will just go in here so that you can say you have been. It's very simple. It is absurd to call it a maze. You keep on taking the first turning to the right. We will just walk around for 10 minutes and then go and get some lunch. So जब हैरिस ने मैप को देखा, he consulted the map, तो उसने अपने कज़न से कहा कि अंदर जाना तो बहुत आसान है, right? We will just go in here and so that you can say you have been here. हम सिर्फ अंदर जा रहे हैं फॉर्मेलिटी के लिए, क्योंकि अंदर जाके करने के लिए कुछ भी नहीं है, बहुत आसान है. हाँ, जैसा इस मैप में दिखाई दे रहा है, मुझे लग रहा है कि जब हम अंदर जाएंगे तो ज़्यादा कुछ करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. इट्स वेरी ईजी टू फॉलो द मैप. इट इज़ वेरी सिंपल. इट्स एब्सर्ड टू कॉल इट अ मेज. प्लीज़ अंडरलाइन दिस वर्ड एब्सर्ड. एब्सर्ड मीन्स फुलिश. तो मैप को देख के ऐसा लग रहा था कि मेज़ अंदर, जो मेज़ भूल भुलैया के अंदर जाना बहुत आसान है और उससे बाहर निकल के आना बहुत आसान है. सो Harris said that we shouldn't even call it a maze. It is a stupid idea to call it a maze. It's not even a maze. It is nothing. We will just keep on taking the first turning to the right and we will just walk around for 10 minutes and then go and get some lunch. He said अंदर जाना है, we have to we have to take the turn to the right direction, then we keep on walking and walking for 10 minutes and then we will come out of this maze. It will only take 10 minutes. उसने अपने कज़न को भरोसा दिलाया कि अंदर सिर्फ 10 मिनट लगेंगे, हम राइट डायरेक्शन को फॉलो करेंगे और ऐसा करते करते हम इस मेज़ से बाहर निकल जाएंगे एंड देन वी विल हैव आवर लंच. वाई ही वॉज सो कॉन्फिडेंट. उसे क्यों लग रहा था कि हम अंदर जाएंगे तो हमें सिर्फ 10 मिनट्स का टाइम लगेगा, उसके बाद हम इस मेज़ से बाहर निकल के आएंगे. वाई ही वॉज सो कॉन्फिडेंट? बिकॉज ही हैड कंसल्टेड द map. But when they actually went inside, when they practically followed that map, then they came to know that it was not at all simple. It was very, very confusing. It was very, very difficult to come out of this maze. So this is the experience Harris wants to share with the narrator, Jerome K. Jerome, and his another friend, जॉर्ज। और मैं आपको एक बार फिर से याद दिला दूं कि इस चैप्टर में नरेटर का कोई रोल नहीं है और ना ही दूसरे फ्रेंड जॉर्ज के बारे में इस चैप्टर में कुछ भी मेंशन किया गया है। दिस चैप्टर इज़ ऑल अबाउट आवर मेन कैरेक्टर हैरिस। Now we will read the next passage. They met some people soon after they had got inside who said they had been there for 3/4 of an hour and had had about enough of it. Harris told them they could follow him if they liked. He was just going in and then should turn round and come out again. They said it was very kind of him and fell behind and followed. So what happened when they